eh. Ha? Ito. So, ito yung ito ate. Sounds. Sounds.
Times live under the moon, and I thank God I'm breathing. And I pray protect me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, that we no more war, and the children will say one.
Dahil na yun sa pong video mo Ate GY Diaries ha. Punta mo na kay Ate Din. Parang nakadikit na ako sa bahay nito. Parang napuntahan ko nga live niya eh. Hindi ako sure. Napuntahan ko na kay live niya. Tignan ko. Ay, hindi pa nakadikit. Ewan ko lang pag nag-click. Ay, hindi pa nga. Ngayon lang. Tagum City. Bagay, wala siyang jacket. Ibig sabihin bago lang din. Ay, tatanggal ang ano mo eh. Nakadikit ako sa'yo. Tatanggal eh oh. Ate, tatanggal oh. Ibig sabihin, nakadikit ako sa'yo. Tatanggal siya oh. Nag-all bell eh. Nakadikit ako sa'yo. Nagatanggal ang ano niya eh. Tatanggal lang yung dikit. Tulad kay ate ano. Tulad kay ate Viola. Tatanggal yung dikit ko. Tsaka kay Mamita. Tatanggal ang dikit niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Play ko yung 6 na video mo, tsaka 10 short videos ate ha. 6 na videos, tsaka 10 short videos. Ano sabi mo na
We don't lose, we all lose when you're feeding the souls of the innocent, blood French payment. Keep on moving, though the water still rages, and in this fight you may lose your way. That's why you crazy, but don't let it slip you away. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So negativity's around, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say
avocado.
don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more wars, and a beautiful day one day.
Una, salmon rice ball, tapos may avocado. Kaya lang ako naman. Sa Japanese kasi iba naman yung iba kanila. Iba yung panlasa nila sa mga food. Three minutes